This is the room. There's our car. Nice little blue chair. I like that. See how comfortable it is. Oh, yeah, I like it. Yeah, I need one of these at home. Another charger station.
Thinking what you told me about that town, and I said to myself, Charlotte, it just don't make sense for you to be going on the way you've been going.
You feel cup your whole fridge.
People in that town by my eyes, it seems anyplace else. But it's mighty nice and folks to let me join you.
See that mirror?
What's this one do?
Wow. So it just has two modes?
No, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, dang.
Yeah. Do you think they'll notice if it's gone when we leave?
Yeah, pretty sure. That's freaking cool though.
Yeah. I dig it. Very neat.
I like it. Whataburger. About my room. Travel with our own pillows. Little pancake machine. Little conveyor belt action. That is freaking cool. Very nice. Oh shit. Hit the mirror. Friday $8, Saturday $5, Sunday $4, Monday $2, Tuesday is $1. Holy crap! What?
Yeah.
For anything in there?
Yep.
And they don't like move it out of the way?
I don't know.
I'm gonna look through all this stuff.
Not all of it.
Look at this store, it's crazy. Where to start? Look at this, all this stuff everywhere. When you have like food and the animals are starving, they're devouring it right now. Wow, I never seen nothing like that.
I know, that's crazy. It's all the new stuff.
Check it out, guys. This is how they're gonna get. Watch this. Check that out, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh, they have some good stuff, girl.
Look at that. Look at that.
He like, look at that.
They're going at it, man. The deals have come out. Huh?
Hey, this is what I was looking at.
What is it?
On Amazon. For the floating show.
They're running. Look at that. Woo. Bro, it's about to get nasty right now. Look at that. Bro. That's crazy. That's fun, right? Heck yeah. Out of here. Made it out with under $100, so we spent like $86, so that's good. We'll show y'all what we got. Bye bye. Going for a stroll. Oh man, I should have brought my other selfie stick.
The new one?
We bought a whole bunch of stuff. We only spent like 86 bucks.
Yes, it was so
what kind of stuff did you get?
Bunch of cool stuff.
That break was really fun.
It was.
I had
Go, go, go. What was fun is watching the people like attack it. I mean,
like, oh wow.
of them attacking it.
Yeah. I said, this place is crazy, and then they just happened to bring that card out, and so I said to them here.
You know that Ghostbusters movie?
Mm-hmm.
The headquarters?
Mm-hmm.
It's like that.
No way.
The fire station.
Oh, that's cool.
When you see the front.
Oh, it's nice.
Oh, yeah.
Nice little shade action here, man. Whew, it's hot out here. Check that out. Ghostbusters. Right there, right? Oh, the Tesla truck. What do they call that? Cyber truck?
Yeah, I agree. Now, if it flew, maybe.
Then you would like it.
Yeah.
It's
And
the
I would
Alamo
drive it.
wall, right?
I didn't say I would like it. I said I would drive it.
You're touching the Alamo wall.
Then you'll see the fire hose, the whole.
That is so freaking neat. I've never stopped and looked at it like
Little
that.
bullet hole action. All right, time to get in my car, guys. Yeah? Nah.
I can't even call it.
This is all for the Alamo. Right here. Let's peek over. Ooh. Look at this place. Alamo. The Emily Morgan Hotel. Ooh.
Black lady to the Yellow Rose of Texas.
The Yellow Rose of Texas.
Cheaper reason, Santana was beat. She was Austin's girlfriend. They say she was one a wolf, but
Oh.
she came down here with cover for, but she was actually with.
Looks like they're adding some more stuff here. More marble. Adding. Oh. $2.60 for water? Good lord.
Are you gonna have one? Did you pay for anything? I do suggest starting in go ahead and top
Here at the Alamo. Alamo. Let's go in there. Wow. All of this area. Yeah. I want to say I think it was blocked off when we came there last time. Oh, this is freaking cool.
Oh wow.
Look at that.
This is neat.
What do you think about that? $1836. Babe, what was that? The year of the Yellowstone? Remember that? We were watching that.
1883.
What?
The Yellowstone show. The Yellowstone show is very good.
Yeah, I watched yours.
This is cool. Look at that. San Antonio River. San Pedro Creek. That's where we were just at. San Pedro. Oh, and they're still going.
This is gonna be neat.
This is already neat. This is cool. Look at that. The wood.
See the fort wall in there.
Yeah, it's really nice.
I like this.
Mission Gate and Lunette. Oh, heck yeah. Imagine if you were, we put the GoPro on a cannonball.
Oh my gosh. 6-pounder cannon. So that would mean that the cannons were 6 pounds, right? Oh yeah. That's cool.
Dang. Wow, look at that, baby. The way they made the trees. The logs.
That's not wrong.
It could be, no?
I don't think it is. That would be very no. You could tell. Yeah. Well, I mean, they don't want it to rot, I guess.
I was thinking that they were, but then they encased it with
Like
mortar or something. It's gonna be nice.
It's gonna be real cool.
Heck yeah. Look, this is what it looks like now. Look, babe, all the. So we'll see what it looks like later. Very nice. Very historic San Antonio. Oh, look at this. Nice shade. Look at that, man.
So are they gonna build more of that this
I
way?
think it's just gonna be like that. But they might let it run over there.
Huh.
It's cool, right? Look at the foundation. Goes way lower too. Hey, there's a cannon up there, babe. Dang, yeah, that's what y'all were doing right there, right?
I like that one.
¿Qué hice?
Sheepin.
Oh, sheepin.
Oh. It looks perfect.
Look at that, babe. Hmm? Oh, I know. That's where we're about to eat, Landry's. Here's the water right there. Does it have a view of the water?
Yeah.
You didn't read the sign, girlfriend? Martinis, music, and more. Oh. And the more. Hello. The steak that I wanted was $75, $80.
Yeah, I was impressed. I was like, man, I was looking at appetizers. Maybe I should get off appetizers.
The first thing I thought about when I saw that steak, I was like, man, we need to go to H-E-B and buy me a 3-pack for $35.
I was like,
Right?
well, yep, I hope
That
their
would be
calamari will be in the You want to walk down the river walk, or we have a specific?
Where are you going
Yeah,
to?
I don't care. The pizzeria is up there.
Oh, okay.
Pizza, pizza. You like pizza? Of course you do.
We can leave Papa outside and go have a drink.
There's a Fat Tuesday and there's barbecue place there also.
What's Fat Tuesdays?
I never had that.
Jay's been everywhere.
I like that potato salad.
She's a traveler.
Potato salad. I like how much pepper was. That's why I like it. Yeah. I just want to have like a really good.
San Antonio Ticks. Look at that.
I've been everywhere.
Oh. Over here.
Sorry. Hi, Papa. I was seeing you walking behind me.
Oh, do we swim?
Don't Papa had a
Oh, I think we have to swim to get to that place over there. Ooh, you got Converse. I love your shoes. I wore my Converse to the concert last night, Pat Pat. Yep.
I walked, my thing said 15 miles last night. Dang, I believe it.
So change your plans. We're gonna go eat over there at Bubba Gump. Beautiful San Antonio, Texas, baby. Gotta love it here. Bubba Gump. That means they got all kinds of freaking shrimp, right?
I hope so.
Lemon shrimp, fried shrimp, purple shrimp,
Here we go.
green shrimp, extra fried crispy shrimp, shrimp scampi. Ooh. Shrimp, everything. Whoa, she almost fell in. Look, it was nice and clear.
So you get down there?
Not today, no swimming today. What are the prices looking like? Let's see.
You're gonna get to know her any other time if you don't meet her. And I told him I was like, her and my
Dude.
both, they came over, they were friendly, like we talked. And
They have all the pictures up
yeah,
there.
like, it wasn't awkward
Decent
at all.
prices.
Obviously, they're very much really
Oh yeah. They took them off in the movie, right? All the pictures. Elvis. This ain't even the real Elvis. I was all like, is this a true story? Oh, you know they got a part 2 coming out?
No, I didn't know that.
It's about the little boy.
Oh, yeah?
His little boy is grown now.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so it's about him. A little seafood boil. Yeah, got nice shrimp, chicken, fish. Real great.
Oh yeah. Always.
Dip action.
Like get Pat over there.
No pushing. No pussy there.
I can't fight the guests anymore.
Hey guys.
I don't recommend setting up 112 races.
I want to stay at the Contessa, and I want to stay at the same room that me and Dre, where we consummated our marriage. Is that the right word? Yeah, that one. Where we contemplated our marriage. That's no, that's what we were contemplating, if we did the right thing or not.
Shut up.
Is that the Selena Bridge right there? No? It is? Go up there, Selena. Right there. I'm gonna take a picture. I like the architecture. Very cool. Skulls, yeah. Oh, look, baby, they're drawing on the boat. Tokyo Cowboy. Says Whiskey Diner. So you eat whiskey? Oh, look at all those skulls over there. This is really cool. Go over there, Dre. I'm gonna spy on you through the brush.
This is actually really big.
We're hiding in the. We got cameras hiding everywhere, man.
Yeah, obvious one.
Obvious ones.
He's screaming. Put it inside his mouth.
It won't fit in there. This way?
Shoot!
Oh.
Why you holding? Holding, water. He's done.
Push the button.
Oh, you're supposed to push the button, babe.
There you go. It worked.
Make any difference?
Whoa. It comes out. Look, I don't know. Only adults will get that one. Guess what I need?
Oh my gosh.
That's a good one,
I'm
though.
not buying that for you.
Yeah, I know, but that's crazy. Who thought of that?
Also, and I just froze, you know?
Mm-hmm.
And I just stopped there, like, I got the question. The guy that was saying with me, said, "Is that?" I said, "Yeah." From the distance, we're like, but I just kind of weird.
Oh, look at these.
Consent signs, I'm sure. It's also in the wetlands. Take apart.
Wow.
I'll check with all the prices. Yeah.
I saw some guy on Instagram. Boy, he's on TikTok, but he can make these deal. He puts our loved one's face on there, like draws their portrait, puts their name, the date, and all that, and it's in the shape of a cross, just like this. Those are nice.
Oh, you were going to all the shop.
60 bucks. Oh, damn. Hey, can we go in there?
We're getting ready to close. Oh, no, are you close? Yeah, so we just stuff in and then locked up.
Oh,
We
we can't go in there? Okay. Babe, come on.
Just one second, we want to lock some
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Oh, wow. This is freaking awesome.
Been here since 1886.
Wow. freaking amazing. Wow.
What were you saying?
This is beautiful. Yeah, you light your candles.
But even then, it's pretty cool without any air conditioning. You know? Just know what you're thinking about.
Awesome, baby. Amazing. Thank you, man. It's beautiful in there.
Thank you.
Awesome. What is that? That's part of it too over there?
Oh, look, see that building right there? That's the Starlight building. That's where that marshmallow monster appeared in the Ghostbusters.
Oh yeah. Oh, the green one, the one with the green one?
You see those things there sticking out? Those are 5 feet gargoyles.
Really?
Gargoyles that in the movie they changed
Yeah.
life. That's them right there.
Wow.
In the front.
You gotta just been real cool.
Oh, that's nice. I like the yard house. And got a plethora of places. Oh, it smells so good in here.
Trying to see if I'm really tough or I got here off look.
Uh-huh.
I don't do it, you're free. Watch me out on me. Looking good and I'm fly. This is sneaks for the feet. Wait, goddamn degree.
We caught an Uber for my cousin. About to go to the hotel.
Over with your cousin? Alright, bet.
Mhm.
I'm gonna start my time right now, okay? And you pay.
Dude, I loved our Escalades,
Don't worry, I
dude.
take cash and card.
Cash and card accepted. Toilet. So this whole bathroom kit.
I got these, so I put it when I'm
Shower curtain, everything. Little fetal Doppler radar. Fetal Doppler. It's pretty cool, brand new. Weights, leg weights, 5 pounds each.
I weighted them. I weighted them.
So there's 10 pounds. A new security light, LED. All these. They light up. We got how many in here?
I think you said 12?
No, ain't that many. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got 8. We got a badass, real nice snorkel set with fins. Oh, look at that.
The exercise bands, I'm excited for you.
All those bands. AAA batteries. All those batteries. Plus the charger. What's this?
That is
Toilet
cleaner, toilet brush, and plunger.
plunger
With
kit.
the kit, yeah.
All these mason jars.
For when I make salsa.
Yep.
50 pack of present boxes. So when I make cookies for Christmas.
Those, you look those up when they're like $30. $30.
$30.
Man,
This was $30.
that's cool. We got this bug zapper. And this right here for the baby shower.
Yep.
A whole kit.
Yep, and it has lights on the side of that.
This shelf.
Excellent.
Oh yeah, my excellent. Here, demonstrate that. We got that nice little shelf right there.
For under
Goes
the sink.
Under the sink.
I'm gonna mess with that tomorrow.
This selfie stick.
Oh, here. Oh, there it goes. You folks on it?
So it's a tripod. You just demonstrated the tripod action. So see, there's a tripod. And then now you can demonstrate the selfie stick because you don't need this open if you're using it like a selfie stick. So close it.
No, just close that right.
There you go. Now use it as a selfie stick. See how far it extends. Bam. Then you could turn your phone, right? How does it turn? Oh, there we go. Heavy duty. And then when you're all done, fold it in. Looks like a freaking little club.
The baton.
A baton, there you go. No, shove it down. You just have to use force, son. There you go. Nice, cool little selfie stick. Look at that, they work.
That is cute. I like that.
You have a whole bunch of these. So you can play with your friends now. So, how many items did we get? Oh, what was in the shelf? So 1, 2, count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Oh, I forgot the pencils here.
I counted that 17.
Yeah, I didn't show them. These say what?
So some of them say sweet baby.
Oh, but they're for the baby
oh,
shower.
baby, yeah.
So baby shower themed pencils,
So happy
50
to
of
show
them.
you. Yep.
So how many items? You forgot already.
17.
17 times 5. Let's see.
$85.
$85 is what we spent on all that stuff there. This thing alone was how much? Like 40,
That was like $50.
50 bucks. This is a real nice snorkel kit. It got the fins too.
I know, it's all connected.
Did you get both of them? Yep, both of them right there.
I would have been so mad if we had forgotten.
A full mask. Snorkel kit for JT, brand new. You know we go scuba snorkeling a lot, so and that's a little hardwood kit. So this might even have for a GoPro maybe, because it has a little tornillo here for a GoPro. So I don't know, but anyways, it's freaking cool. All this stuff, $85. And these are at that bin store where we went to earlier, so yep. Pretty cool. Oh, look at that. And it's, what is that? That's
It's so
good quality.
Yeah, look at this one. It's so easy to clean.
Oh yeah,
You
that's
just
like,
rinse it off outside or whatever.
oh yeah, that's not that other stuff.
No, it's not the bristle.
This is cool, baby.
Yeah, that
Heck
was
yeah.
really fine.
Yep, there it is. My Forrest Gump glass. Run, Forrest, run. Bubblegum Shrimp Company.
Easy, nah, homie, never easy. Took him away from me, now my life will never be easy. Rolling on these highways, all I see is easy. Left a mark in my corazon, all I feel is easy. It's the truth, now I saw it with my own eyes. My carnalito took it all to save his kids' lives. Jefe de jefes, to me you'll always be a role model.